Yo guys, what's up? Here with a new YouTube video, and today we are making my car sound like an Hellcat. I can't make that sound, but no. Today in this video we are gonna install a new performance mod. It has been a minute since I installed a performance mod, but in today's video we're gonna be installing a new cold air intake from Z1 Motorsports. I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below again. And yeah, I got the long, like the cold tube in cold air intake, not just the intake. So that means it doesn't just stop right here, it goes all the way down here. So it's gonna make some Hellcat note sounds. I'ma just stop. But yeah, let's unpack it. We probably have to take the strut bar. What the f was that? Okay, let's get back to the video. So we probably have to take the strut out, then the old intake, and then install it. But let's first unbox it. So here we have it. Boxed. Motorsports only took like 3 days. Oh yeah, let's open it up. So this is probably the. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm confused. I'm giving up. This is not. I'm just kidding. Let's open this up. Oh, here's the filter. Yeah, like the cup. I don't even know. We'll figure it out what everything is. So first we have to take out the strut tower. In the manual says we have to take off the bumper, but I'm not taking off the bumper. Cause that shit. No, we're not taking off the bumper. So we're gonna try it out with no bumper first. Loose. And now we take this off. So now we gotta unplug the mass flow air sensor. Put it to the side. Now we gotta unscrew this right here. Take it off. Let's take this off right here. Here, the air box filters out. You know what? Let's see the filter in there. Let's see how that shit looks. That shit dirty as hell. No wonder every time I heat on it smells like shit. Okay, this one's off too. Okay, let's get the new parts and start putting those in. Guys, bad news. We gotta take the bumper off. Let's take the bumper off. We have to access this right there. Can't get it off unless you take the bumper off. So let's take the bumper off real quick and yeah. We have to get the bumper out. Now we can finally start installing the new intake. We gotta hurry up because it's getting dark. So now we gotta put this over here. Just over here. Now we gotta connect that hose under the intake again with the new one. I should have done that first. Let me take this off again. It's getting a little bit dark because this shit is taking forever. So let's hurry up. So yeah, guys, it's the next day. Why is it the next day? Because it was dark and I finished it last night though, but I couldn't film it. I couldn't film it anymore. It was dark. But we got it installed. That was not a video how to install it, but I'm explaining you guys how I did it, like how I installed it. Let me just walk you through. So first of all, we took the old one out. You had to take the strut bar, then you had to take the old one out, and then you put the new one in. And I put this wrong. I flipped it wrong way first, but then you have to put those couplers on, and then you make sure the hose back here is plugged in. The hose is bad, but you have to plug it in. You have to switch the O2 sensor from the old one into the new one, and then you have to take the bumper off so you can put it back here. And so we got the new filter here. I drove it already, and you can feel the difference so much. Like you feel the difference in like mid-range RPMs. Like it just spikes up very fast. So yeah, let me show you how it sounds, and then let's go for some rides. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. And when I started my car had a check engine light, but it's normally with the mass airflow sensor. So I just reset the code and all went good. So if you install one, probably gonna get a mass flow air sensor check engine light. But if you have like the OBD sensor, and then you can like a code reader, you can delete it. That's why I did, and it worked fine after that. But yeah. I hope my camera picks this up. Wait, let's turn off traction control. And I hope my phone camera picks this up. Wait, 1 second, let's get around this turn. I mean, you can hear the whistle at the front, like. when you like. Oh, that sounds good. Definitely feel a difference when you accelerate. Well, let's accelerate here. I would definitely say that's a huge improvement. Like, you notice the difference immediately. And inside the car, I mean, my exhaust is so loud. I don't know if you can hear it, like the whistle intake. Is that how you say it? But you can definitely feel it. Like, the throttle is so much lighter, and I love it. Yeah, definitely, it sounds so much better and feels so much better, and it's so much not faster, but it just accelerates so much faster. Like when I like at mid-range RPMs and low-range RPMs, like it's gone. My car is gone. You know, the trumpet sound comes out. So I would definitely get the long cold air intake, not the short ones, because I feel like the short ones don't help a little bit, but still the cold. You can definitely, I bet you can definitely feel the difference between the short one and the cold one. So I would definitely recommend getting the cold one. And I got that on Z1 Motorsports for the Black Friday discount, so it was a good investment. And yeah.